Hello you all, today I'll be showing you how to make my Biscoff banana pudding, and it's completely dairy free. That's right, all the ingredients to make this is dairy free, so if you are lactose intolerant or suffer from any type of dairy allergies, this is for you. So these are all the ingredients I use to make this delicious dessert. And first you want to start off with some bananas. I honestly did not use all these bananas that I chopped up. But anywho, after I chopped the bananas up, I added a few drops of some lime juice just to help with the browning in the bananas when I do add them to the banana pudding. After that, I added the box pudding, Jello pudding. I used one box of banana cream and I used another box of vanilla to create the pudding mixture. And I also added moolah organic almond banana milk. And I just incorporated all the ingredients like so. Just made sure there was no lumps or clumps and made it a smooth consistency like this. And you just want to make sure you whisk so there's no clumps or lumps. And then afterwards I added some vanilla and I mixed that in really well. Then I added some of the dairy-free Cool Whip, and I also added dairy-free cream cheese. And so I mixed that in like so, made sure it was completely mixed into the banana pudding mixture. And then I used the immersion blender to blend in the cream cheese and made it smooth and velvety like this. Next, you want to add you a couple of tablespoons of this sweetened condensed oat milk, and this can be found on Amazon. I searched for dairy-free oat milk, condensed milk that is, for years, and I finally found it. And then I just added a couple of drops of, a couple of tablespoons that is, of the Biscoff butter. Just popped it in the microwave for a little bit to get it melted, but make sure to check on that when you're microwaving it. So kind of do it like 10 seconds each until it's melting. So then you want to layer your cookies and your bananas and your pudding like so in a bowl or platter, plate, whatever you're using to pan, that is, whatever you're using to layer the banana pudding. And then on top of the banana pudding, I did add some broken up pieces of the Biscoff cookies with the cream in the inside to just give it a different type of texture and taste. And after that, I just made sure, it was evenly distributed on top of the banana pudding. Then I just added a little bit more of that melted Biscoff butter on top, and I just drizzled it like so. I made sure it was all over the top of the banana pudding, evenly distributed. And yep, I just did that a couple of times just to, make it very presentable, make it pretty, make it very, just make it taste good, give it that Biscoff flavor all throughout of the pudding. And voila, this is the final result. This is how it turned out after I was done plating everything, after I was done drizzling the the Biscoff butter on top. So I do hope you all enjoyed this recipe, and please subscribe to my channel if you are interested in learning more or finding out more dairy-free recipes, that is. So yep, I hope you enjoyed this banana pudding. Like I said, it's really good, really flavorful. And if you enjoy banana pudding or Biscoff cookies, I think you will really enjoy this recipe. So like I said, you all, please subscribe if you would like more videos like this, especially if you're dairy-free or lactose intolerant. And thank you so much. Bye-bye.